today I'm going to be making some 4-ingredient butter cookies. The recipe is very, very simple. I actually got this from another YouTuber by the name of Chris Cook for You Too. I wanted to make it today just to show everyone just how simple it is, and you can do it with your children. You can do it like really quick before dinner or just whenever. It won't take long. Stay tuned. Hey you guys, I'm actually adding the other 2 sticks of butter, giving us a total of 4 sticks. Right here, that's why my mixture looks so lumpy. It's because I forgot I was doubling up and we needed more butter. So you guys, right here I'm adding 2 more tablespoons of vanilla extract. I actually did not see that I had another container because I was out earlier and I was going to just wing it without it, but I found some more and I'm adding it here.
Oh, that's sure a lot. Oh, that is so a lot.
It's more than what we made last time, isn't it?
Yes, like.
Taste the cookie dough now, y'all, that I've added 2 more things of the vanilla extract.
That's good.
Is it better?
That's
Okay.
better.
Okay guys, so what we are going to do now is take the cookie dough. We're going to roll them up into small to medium ball sizes and place them on the cookie sheet. We're going to do 3 going across, 4 going down. So that's 12 cookies per tray. I'm going to have to bake twice in order to get them all baked, but we'll come back and show you guys what they look like. We're going to bake them at 350 degrees. I've already started my oven. And wait a minute, you need to go wash your hands in the bathroom. And yeah, so stay tuned.
It's too small.
You're doing more eating than anything.
But I'll start eating.
Like 3 fingers, like this, like this.
I did it.
And you're going to press down.
That's still dining.
See that?
That's still dining.
So you see that result that it gave? Christian, remember this? 3 fingers.
I remember.
Okay guys, so these actually ended up cooking from 7:25 until 7:40. So it did take a little bit longer than I thought. I don't know why I thought they wouldn't take as long, but they did. The minute I started smelling like sugar caramelizing, I went ahead and took them out because I remember last time, for some reason, I cooked them a little too long and I didn't like it. So these You could cook them till they're barely brown on the bottom, or till really there's no color at all. But 15 minutes is more than enough time to get these cooked up. I just want to come back and let you guys know that they aren't going to brown on the top or anything like that. Chris Cook For You, she mentioned that when I watched her tutorial, but I overcooked them thinking they were not done. So do not overcook them, okay? The minute you start to smell sugar caramelizing, you want to start checking your cookies, and to be on the safe side, if they've been in for at least 15 minutes or so, go ahead and pull them out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move these so that we can let the others go ahead and bake. But you see this brownness on the bottom here? That is what you're aiming for. That's perfect, actually. And these cook, like I said, for 15 minutes.
Did you find another little
How is it, Christian?
Good.
Caleb, we're gonna get your reaction.
This is so
Stand next to
good.
Naya. Stand next to Naya. How is it?
Ew.
Let me do some cake.
Is it good? Oh.
Ooh, somebody's stingy.
Oh, I remember that. I remember that. I'll make you take that tomorrow.
But see, it's one of the things. Oh, he said psych.
Suck.
Naya, get the thing out of the fridge. The rest of them. Okay. Yeah, put it in the middle. If you measure everything using something to measure it equally, you will make 48 cookies, because the first batch made 12 on each sheet. So we made 24 the first go around. We could have made 48 easily. However, we made ours a little on the bigger side because that's just how we like them. And you see that color? That is the exact color we're going for. Golden buttery, get that? Butter cookie, buttery brown.
Cook. Funny.
And they are delicious.
Yeah, really delicious. You should make it and try it.
That's right, that's right. Look at all the cookies we made. Very inexpensive too, guys, by the way.
Did I really try one?
This required just some flour, sugar, vanilla extract, and butter.
You can.
Everything in moderation. So,
You're dying.
thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe,
Don't forget to
subscribe.
like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to link my daughter's YouTube channel below. Make sure y'all check her out.